Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you an VS Code extension which automatically converts your XML documents into JSON automatically. So for this, just go to the extensions tab and just type here XML to JSON, and this extension will come right here. It's developed by this person. 160,000 downloads are there, and simply click the install button, and after installing it, it will be enabled globally. And now just open your XML file, and this is your XML file here, let's for example. And now simply right click, and this option will appear right here if you see XML to JSON, and convert from selection or document. So you select this option, XML to JSON, and instantly you will see all your XML file is directly converted into this JSON file. So you will see the message converted successfully. Just right click and convert from clipboard. So you will see, you will select this option, and instantly it will convert all your XML. And now you can create a new file, sample.json, and paste this code here. So instantly this XML has been successfully converted to, and then you can revert back to your original XML code. So this is the XML, and this is your sample.json which has been successfully converted. So simply install this XML to JSON here, and then you can simply use it. Open your XML file, just right click, and then you will see this option, and instantly the conversion will happen right in the VS Code itself. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of